Ito po ang D-tape machine dito sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw naman po itong nagagamit. Na may 75 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Freezing tank malinis every Friday. Ground wire. ABR. Ito naman po ang use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Sa consumption, nakagamit kami this week ng isang film at isang powder. Inventory. Ito yung nagamit sa yellow. White ink. Powder. Film. Ito naman pong monthly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.